Hey guys, what's happening? How to buy and send crypto on Kraken Pro. So, to buy and send in crypto on Kraken Pro, you must fund your account. So go ahead to your Kraken wallet, hit trade at the bottom right, press buy, so you can buy crypto with cash. Select your crypto. Inside, what you're gonna do, just enter the amount and select your payment method right here below. You can choose Apple Pay, MasterCard, debit card, or you can use Apple Pay to pay with debit or credit cards. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and buy or sell crypto on Kraken Pro. So go ahead to your Kraken Pro, select your favorite trading pair. All right, let's say this one. Inside, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy or sell. Okay, to place a limit or market order. Please be aware that this is not a financial advice. So whatever I do here, do not do the same. Let's say I want to buy to open a position. Select your order type. You can choose limit or market, in my case, market. Right? And then execute. You're gonna see your trade appears here in the orders section. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna send crypto, right? So before we do that, we need to go ahead and generate an address from an external wallet, right? If you use MetaMask, Exodus, Phantom in my case, you can apply those steps, right? Beforehand, hit receive. And instead of Solana, I'm gonna just tap the Solana at the top. Select Bitcoin, okay? And an address will be generated. Just copy this address and go back to Kraken Pro to initiate the withdrawal process. Hit portfolio at the bottom right. Press withdraw. Select your asset that you want to withdraw. Let's say Bitcoin. Select your network, Bitcoin, and paste the address that we generated and add a special nickname to identify this address. You will use it to make withdrawing easier next time. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.